Hi. So our first guest of the season's flight it's been delayed. Hi, it's Erica and Tyler.
Hello.
So we have never done a Facebook Live for VIRAMAR before, but today's the day. So we are charter ready, and Tyler's going to show you around the outside, and then I will show you around the inside, and you can see what we look like when we are having guests come on for their first time. So, all right, let me...
Hi guys. Yes, so big change for 2020. We have new cushions everywhere. So Erica's going to show you in the cockpit area, in our outside dinghy area, and then we'll make our way to the alcohol section.
Have all of the garnishes ready and all of the alcohol you could want.
And then we'll make our way upstairs.
We also have an ice maker down here, and a baby Dometic, and a big Dometic, so we can serve really cold drinks all the time.
Yes. The flybridge we did do last year, and then this year again the cushions to go with it. All in order here. Head on out.
So we have a really nice hard top.
Hard top and our eco green. And we have our solar panels up there. Extend the photo so you guys can see all of our solar panels to help capture some of the sun. Very cool. And then this year we also redid the front seating area. We got some new bean bags, and of course we have our standard paddleboard kayak situation. And as you know, for all you guys who've been on VIRAMAR before, we have our scuba tank set up, all ready to go, inspected again for this year, ready for a fun underwater exploration time.
And we do have a generator.
Yes, we have a air compressor with 2 doodle generators.
Oh, sorry, I meant air. Oh, that's funny.
And now we'll head on inside.
Okay. One last look at the helm and the cushions. So we'll go downstairs, and
one of the big things this year, there she is, U.S. flag.
woohoo! Cool. Yeah, so we do have 2 generators, an air compressor. Our dinghy just got refit, so all of the mechanical side that Tyler works on is ready to go for you. And then outside we do have some amenities. We provide sunscreen and all the way down to your glasses wipes. We think of everything. So coming inside.
Welcome home. So Erica's galley, of course. We're just starting a week, as she said, so it's overflowing with fresh veg and all the goodies she's going to be preparing all week.
Already have dinner prepping, and they're at prepping.
We also did new cushions inside this season, and we have some snack sections here. And this charter we have a whole bunch of kids on board, so we have a kids corner. Erica has done up there.
And we have decorated for Thanksgiving, so there's a lot of small touches going on for the family coming aboard for Thanksgiving. They have a lot of kids, so we wanted to make it special for them. So yeah, we always decorate for holidays and theme nights and all of that stuff. We kind of get into it a little, maybe too much, but I have fun, so we'll take you down to the rooms now.
Yeah. We have on the port side, queen cabin here is our first berth we're looking at. We have 3 queens on VIRAMAR, 2 standard and 1 master extended, as well as the twin bunks, which were great for the little kids that are on board this week, which also has a full bathroom shower situation.
And yeah, they have, it's actually really spacious, so, okay.
And now we'll head on to the starboard side. Go starboard forward first. Again, that standard queen room.
Then we come into the master.
And then the master.
So I have their swag bags set up in here. New this season, we have some buffs, and we're excited for the normal swag as well. Like, we always give out some bamboo straws and reusable shopping bags. We have our guest book set out for all of our guests. And then every room has earbuds for late at night. They have lavender pillow spray, little catch-alls to put all of the little knickknacks that they have throughout the day. Every room has a diffuser and room mist for them to use as they want. And then all of our amenities are green, and so I'll show you really quick. We have some toothpaste bites, dental floss, and picks, all green. We have our own custom scent from EC Soap Company and the BVI. We offer eco-friendly toothbrushes. They're all bamboo. And then every room also has a hair dryer, makeup remover, some basic items like Q-tips. So we try to keep everyone as well stocked as we can. And also shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So we make it really easy for packing, making sure that guests have everything they need. And even if they forgot something, like I have a whole other little stash, so you can be pretty comfortable here. And yeah, so now we're just preparing and trying to get ready for our guests to come. So I'll just kind of go radio silent. So thanks guys for watching. I'm just gonna pan around a little bit more, and if you have any questions, just message us, because we are still booking for this season. So have a happy Thanksgiving, and I hope that you guys enjoy seeing our post from our first charter this season. So
bye guys.
okay. if you have made it this far in the video and want to see a slower 360 of our entire boat, which you can click and walk through, you can go to viewyacht.com/VIRAMAR and you can click on the VR tour and you can see everything there, along with our profiles on Tyler and I, some sample menu ideas, and all of our information about booking and pricing and dates available. So thanks for tuning in, and yeah, I am excited to start this season. So Tyler and I will see you on the water. Bye.